Hey y'all. So I actually made a Target run, and some of the stuff that I got is for the updates for the laundry room. So I just kind of wanted to show y'all a couple things that I actually picked up. So we're just gonna get right into it. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe because you know we gotta get the views up. Gotta get the views up. Anyway, so we can get into this real quick. Knock it out real quick. So starting off at Target, I went to Target and spent too much money. That's why I do not go to Target. $148 later, $148 later. That was not that was not the goal. The goal is just to get a few things. But let's just pause for a sec, because why do my ears look so big? But anyway, starting off with the shelf that I got. I got this shelf right here. I'm thinking that I could put this in my laundry room with the little canisters that I bought as well. I'm gonna show y'all those. But I feel like this will give a little organization to the laundry room so everything isn't just, you know, real scattered and all over the place. So I got this. Can't remember how much it was. Let's see if it's on here. It's a 2-tier vanity organizer. It doesn't say how much it was. I think it was like $9.99 or something like that. We'll see if that works. In my mind, if this goes how in my mind I think it's gonna go, it's gonna be gorgeous. So also when I was there, I found this decorative pillow. It's all white, super soft. So it only made sense for me to get two. I only needed one, but why would you buy one? So I don't know. I bought both of them. It's two of them. Do not remember how much they cost. I cannot link them because they were at, if you ever been to Target, they have this section in the front where it's like all of these little steals and buys and $1, $5, things like that. That's where they were. So maybe you'll look up and find one, maybe you won't, sorry. But that's definitely where I got it from. In the front, yeah, okay, yeah. So that's that, and then, let's see. I needed some new coffee doilies because I definitely still do coffee the old school way. Now, when I say old school, I don't have a Keurig. I don't have all that other stuff. I am old school with my coffee. I put the coffee doily in there, and then it goes through the cycle of everything. So I needed some more of those. So got some of those. Here are the canisters I was telling you guys about. So this one is the big one. It was, I don't remember. Sorry. But this is the big one. I think I'm gonna put the pods in here, but it seemed like it's very sturdy. It has one of the little things that you put your finger in at the top of the little hole so you can just pop it out. It's still sealed, so that was that. And then I got a smaller one. The smaller one is for the Downy Unstoppables that I have to put in here. Same setup, hole in the top. But I think together, it's gonna look cute on that shelf in the laundry room. So we'll just go from there to see how good it looks. I think it's gonna look great though, just saying. Me, I think it's gonna look great. What else did I get? I got a candle. This one is called Aloe and Bergamot. Aloe and bergamot. It smells so good. And I know y'all like, girl, you think everything smells good. No. Okay, when things do smell good, I give them their props because, yeah. But this, it smells good. And y'all already know my philosophy about good candles, like little candles. You can strategically put them anywhere. Yes. This candle in your bathroom or bedroom, it smells like non-laters and Kool-Aid with a little bit of, they say phenolalates. I don't know. But whatever is in here, it smells really good. They say aloe is in here too. You can smell the aloe. That doesn't take away from the smell of it at all. Like if anything, it kind of adds to it, and it really makes it come out. It's a very vibrant yet subtle candle. I will say that, very much so. So anyway, let me put this back on here. All right, what else we got? So y'all know I do coffee. So I got this cute little sugar and cream for my little coffee bar in the front. This of course will be for the powder cream, not the liquid. And the sugar and the cream part will be for the powder cream. And of course the powdered sugar, I said it wrong, but y'all understand what I'm trying to say. Don't do that. Don't do that. It has a little, I don't know if you can see it, but it has a little thing that you can scoop it out with. Let me see. The cream does not. So the cream has a little pouring spout on it. So it's good for either the liquid or the powder, I feel. So that's that. This was $5. And again, it was at the front of the store. So what else we got? Because I didn't get that much stuff, but I did want to make sure I shared what I got with you guys. As you all know, I'm moving in, even though I've been here a year, but I haven't decorated anything, but I'm still moving in. So I saw this cute little home, sweet home. Now I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but I feel like wherever I put it, it's gonna kind of really be a reminder that this is your safe haven. It's okay to be you here. Let it all out. Take it all off. I already know that. And not because of the price of this rent, but I already know that. So, but it was really cute, and it was only, oh, I went too far. $1. So it's $1. But how cute is this for $1? I probably should have got 2, but I didn't. I think that's all in that bag, and that's all in that bag, and that's all in that bag. So those are all that I have. Now what I will do, I'm gonna show you guys how I put it all together with the Unstoppables and with the Tide Pods in there, with the canisters and everything, with the shelf. I did also already, I don't know if you watched one of my other videos, one of my first videos actually, I had a laundry room rug. So that's already put down on the floor. So you're gonna kind of see it all come together. I'm gonna need to make like a couple more updates to it, but I believe that this is like, we're off to a really good start. So stay tuned, because I'm gonna show you guys, and you guys are gonna see how I'm kind of bringing it slowly but surely together. Okay, alrighty. Hey, so we back. Yeah. So I got everything all here. Here's the shelf. Let's put the shelf in first. I don't know why I took these so long. I don't know why it took me so long to put the shelf in. And then let's do the Unstoppables. Thought it was more than that. Apparently not. Get rid of this trash. Okay. So that's that. And then see how it looks really good. Just open it. Alright. Then here's this one for the pods. I got these. And I got these. two in here and then show you guys. Alright, show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so this is what it wound up looking like. Basically that shelf, and I didn't know it before, but it's not big enough to hold that canister. I tried, it didn't fit. And even at the top I didn't trust it, so I just put it kind of off to the side. And then here is the laundry room mat that I was telling you guys about. So we are on our way with it. The next thing we're gonna do is a picture over this, and then maybe like a basket or something over there, but this is where we are now with it, okay? Alrighty, and then for my coffee bar, here is a update for that. So there's my mug. Kindness is free, sprinkle that stuff everywhere. And then, like I showed you guys before, the cream and the sugar, and it actually does come with a little scoop, so I'm glad they included that. So that's that.